Hi guys, and today I'll be doing a video on how to make the paper catamaran. So the paper catamaran looks like this, and let's get into the video. So to make this you'll need a square piece of paper, and you want to first make a diagonal crease like that. Okay, so now you want to make another diagonal crease. Okay, so now you want to fold right here to the center, right there. And now you want to do the same thing with the other side. Okay, so now what you want to do is fold it in half like that. And open it back up. So now you want to fold the top here to the center crease. And do the same thing with the other side. And now open this back up. So now what you want to do is fold here to this crease right there, like that. And then just push down. And then do the same thing with this side. Push it down. And then do the exact same thing with this side. Okay, so now what you want to do is just fold it like that, open it up, and then just tighten everything like that, and then just open it up, and that is your finished catamaran. If you'd like to see more content like this, leave a like to show your support for this type of content, and if you want to get notified when every video comes out, feel free to subscribe and ring that bell. And that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye!